Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome snack which is made with veggies, some olives, and eggs. Super easy to make, very few ingredients, and you will love it. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, you'll need to cut your favorite type of meat. I'm using sausages. Then you need to cut some green onions, 6 hard-boiled eggs, which I'll cut in half and take out the yolks, and the yolks I will smash them together. After that, just mix the meat and the yolks and the greens, the green onions. Also, I'm using half a tablespoon of paprika and some pepper. Then 2 or 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mixing it all together. Also, you can use yogurt. And now let's form our snacks. In the hard-boiled eggs without the yolks, add the mixture. Now let's do the dressing up the eggs. I'm cutting a red bell pepper into slices and then into small cubes. I'm doing the same thing with the yellow bell pepper. And now let's decorate the eggs. Some of them with the red bell pepper and some of them with the yellow bell pepper. Now let's place them on the plate. For the decorating, I'm using also tomatoes, which I'll cut into small slices and in half. Which I'm using for our roses. I'll plate it just right in the middle and serve it with some olives around them. And this is the plating. It looks delicious and tastes even better. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.